Hello. In this video, we're going to use our graphing calculator and synthetic division to find all zeros of the following polynomial functions. Then we're going to factor the polynomial completely. We have f of x equals x cubed plus 3 halves x squared minus 11 halves x minus 3. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and go to the calculator, and I'll see you there. Okay, now that we know what the zeros are, let's go ahead and prove it using synthetic division. Starting with that -3, we have a 1, 3 halves, -11 halves, and -3. Bring down the 1, multiply. 3 halves minus 3 is 3 halves minus 6 over 2, which would be -3 halves. -3 times -3 over 2 is 9 halves. -11 halves plus 9 halves is -2 halves, but that's just -1. And then -3 times -1 is +3. Awesome. So we just proved that -3 is in fact a 0. The next integer that we know for sure is going to be 2. Bring down the 1, multiply. -3 halves plus 2 is 1 half, and then 2 times a half is 1. Awesome. We just proved that 2 is a 0. And now we're going to use these last two to find out the other 0. Notice that this is basically 1x plus a half, in other words, just x plus a half equals 0. Subtract the 1 half. Means x equals -1 half is our other 0. Awesome. So our zeros are -3, 2, and -1 half. Those are our 3 zeros. So -3, -1 half, and 2. And the factors that go along with them will be x plus 3, x plus 1 half, and x minus 2. All of these are multiplicity 1, so all of these will be exponent 1. So that means that the function itself can be written as x plus 3, x plus a half, and x minus 2. Notice that the leading coefficient is 1, so we still need the leading coefficient to be 1 here. And this will, in fact, be the factored form. There isn't anything to distribute here. If there had been a 2, I could have distributed a 2 here, making that 2x plus 1. That would still give us a factor of -1 half, but it's not the same function, because notice there is no 2 in front here. So, as a result, this is the only option for the factorization. Alrighty. Well, I think you should actually be very proud of yourself, because now you can factor stuff that really looks very difficult to factor. It's actually quite nice. Alrighty, well, I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.